World Sparrow Day. 5 interesting facts about sparrow. Females have brown backs with stripes while males have reddish backs with black bib. Sparrows usually fly at the speed of 24 miles per hour. However, when needed they can increase their speed to 31 miles per hour. Sparrows can live for around 4 to 5 years in the wild. They are very social and like to live close to human settlements. House sparrows throw dust and soil over itself as if it taking a bath in water. Thank you for watching.